Fáilte ráis. Ceacht sé, if we're a sé inis, lesson 6. Good to have you back. We start with the reminder that these lessons go in order, so I've got a wee card up here somewhere to link you back to lesson 1. If this is the first you've seen of this, we're learning to speak Irish. We're not doing reading, we're not doing grammar. It's just about speaking Irish. And the way it works is it's not say and repeat. It's like say and predict. I ask you a thing, and you try to say, you say what you think it's going to be in Irish. Pause the video while you're doing that to give you time to think. Then you can unpause it and hear my version, and then you can correct yourself, or you can repeat if you like. That's fine. Now, what have we been doing? How would you say? Can you remember how to ask? What are you doing? What is kajay? Yeah. So what are you doing? Kajay tatu yanu. Kajay tatu yanu. Good. And you're gonna say, I'm going to Belfast. Tá má gul go Feirste. Tá má gul. I'm going. How would you say, if the cinema is on Feirste, how would you say, I'm going to the pictures, the cinema? It's slightly different. Tá má gul gajee an Feirste. Tá má gul gajee an Feirste. Good stuff. How do you say I'm going to Belfast? Tá má gul go Feirste. And how do you ask someone, what are you doing? Kajay tatu yanu. What about, have you got time? Yeah, it's a different question. It's going to start and will. And will am agat. Have you got time? And will am agat. How would you ask, have you got Guinness? And will Guinness agat. What about, have you got water? And will ishka agat. Good. So, ask again, have you got time? And will am agat. And the answer is no. How do you say that? Níl. Say, I don't have time. Níl am agam. What are you doing? Kajay tatu yanu. I'm going to Belfast. Tá má gul go Feirste. I'm going to the pictures. Tá má gul gajee an Feirste. Now, a question that we haven't done yet is where, and that's just ka. So, what was kajay, and where is ka? So to say, where are you? That's ka will to. Ka will to. Just repeat it. Ka will to. Okay. So how do you ask? Where are you? Ka will to. Now, can you build on to that using a gul? Going, to say, where are you going? Cowell to a gull. Don't worry if you didn't get it. Cowell to a gull. Where are you going? So, how would you say, I'm going to Belfast? Tá má gul go Feirste. Where are you going? Cowell to a gull. I'm going to the cinema. Tá má gul gajee an Feirste. Now, how do you just ask, where are you? Ka will to. If you want to say, I'm here, that's going to be anseo for here, anseo. How would you say, I'm here? Tá anseo. I'm here. How do you ask, where are you? Ka bhfuil tú? I'm here. Tá anseo. Have you got time? Bhfuil am agat? No, I don't have time. Níl am agam. What are you doing? Go dé tá tú a dhéanamh? I'm going to Belfast. Tá má gul go Feirste. Where are you going? Cabhail tú a gul? I'm going to the cinema. Tá má gul go dtí an Feirste. How do you ask again? What are you doing? Go dé tá tú a dhéanamh? And what about, where are you going? Cabhail tú a gul? Now we're going to learn some more places where you might go. So I'm going to the beach. Tá má gul go dtí an trá. Tá má gul go dtí an trá. That's the beach. An trá. And okay, if you're going to Derry, that's Doire. So tá má gul go Doire is I'm going to Derry. How do you say I'm going to Belfast? Tá má gul go Feirste, and I'm going to Derry. Tá má gul go Doire. What about I'm going to the cinema? Tá má gul go dtí an Feirste, and I'm going to the beach. Tá má gul go dtí an trá. If you want to say you're going home, that's tá má gul na bhaile. Tá má gul na bhaile. Just repeat that. Tá má gul na bhaile. Good. How do you ask? Where are you going? Cabhail tú a gul. Good. And what are you doing? Go dé tá tú a dhéanamh? I'm going home. Tá má gul na bhaile. Good. How do you ask? Would you like a cup of tea? Or bhaile leat cup and tea? I wouldn't. Níor why. I haven't got time. Níl am agam. Where are you going? Cabhail tú a gul? I'm going to the beach. Tá má gul go dtí an trá. Very good. How would you say, I would like a cup of coffee? Bhfuil liom cup and coffee. Would you like milk? Or bhfuil leat bainne? I would, please. Bhfuil leat dochal? Have you got sugar? Bhfuil sucre agat? Say no. Níl. Now, do you remember how to say but? It's just ach. So, remember how to ask, would you like a cup of tea? Yeah. Or bhfuil leat cup and tea? And this time answer, I wouldn't, but I would like a cup of coffee. Níor why, ach, bhfuil liom cup and coffee. With milk. Le bainne. But I don't have time. Ach, níl am agam. Now, there's one last wee new thing for this lesson, and it's how to say I have to. And it's caithfidh. Caithfidh. Good, just repeat it. Caithfidh. Say. Now, go to Belfast is go Feirste. So how do you say, I have to go to Belfast? Caithfidh mé go bhfuil Feirste. Right. Say, I am going to Belfast. Tá mé go bhfuil Feirste. I have to go to Belfast. Caithfidh mé go bhfuil Feirste. So one is tá mé a gull, and the other's caithfidh mé gull. Right. Say, I have to go to the beach. Caithfidh mé go gotí an trá. And how would you say, I have to go home? Caithfidh mé go na bhaile. Good. Ask, would you like a cup of coffee? Or bhaile at cup and coffee? I would, but why? Ach, but I don't have time. Ach níl am agam. I have to go home. Caithfidh mé go na bhaile. Say, I have to go to Belfast. Caithfidh mé go bhfuil Feirste. Good. Ask again, have you got time? Bhfuil am agat? No. I have to go to the cinema. Níl. Caithfidh mé go gotí an Feichteáin. Ask, what are you doing? Could you tá tú dheanú? Say, I have to go to Derry. Caithfidh mé go Doire. Can you ask, where are you? Cá bhfuil tú? Ask, where are you going? Cá bhfuil tú gull? Well done. That's it. We'll leave it there. My Shiv. Slán.